this time, all jumpers have deployed their main parachutes and are setting up for precision landing on the target area. The primary mission of the Air Force Academy's parachuting program is character and leadership development. The team and staff members accomplish this as they train other cadets in the techniques of freefall parachuting. The team trains approximately 700 cadets each year in the basic freefall parachuting course.